friends, I'm your Excel Guru. Today I came with a new video. In this video, we will learn some shortcut key. So I have prepared some importance and regular basis use of Excel shortcut key. I hope this will help you and it will save you some time in your daily work. So you can see I have categorized some important Excel shortcut key like general Excel shortcut, open a workbook, create a new workbook, save the workbook, print the workbook, close the workbook, undo the last action, redo the last undone action, copy, cut, paste, paste special, select all, find, replace, go to special, insert a new worksheet, and here you can see navigation shortcut key. Move to the beginning of the worksheet. Control plus home. Move to the last cell with data. Control end. Move to the next worksheet. Control plus page down. Move to the previous worksheet. Control plus page up. Move one cell up. Up arrow. Move one cell down. Down arrow. Move one cell left. Left arrow. Move one cell right. Right arrow. So it's useless. I have pasted it extra. Formatting shortcut key: bold Control B, italic Control I, underline Control U, open format cell dialog, Control plus 1, increase font size, Alt plus H plus FG, decrease font size, Alt plus H plus FK, add border, select the range and press Control Shift plus 7, open the font color menu, Alt H plus FC, apply data format, Control plus Shift plus H, apply currency format, Control plus Shift plus dollar, apply percentage format, Control plus Shift plus percentage, apply number format, Control plus Shift plus semicolon, selection shortcut key. Select entire row, Shift plus space, select entire columns, Control plus space, select entire worksheet, Control plus A, extend selection one cell to the right, Shift plus R arrow, extend selection one cell down, Shift plus down arrow, extend selection one cell left, Shift plus left arrow, extend selection one cell up, Shift plus up arrow. For row and how you can hide your row and columns. So hide row, Control 9, hide column, Control 0, unhide your column, Shift plus F10 plus 2 time U plus U, unhide rows, Shift plus Control plus Shift plus 9. Data shortcut key: insert current date, Control plus semicolon, insert correct current time, Control plus Shift plus semicolon, auto sum, you can use Alt plus equal to sign, show the insert function dialog, Shift plus F3, open the format cell dialog, Control plus 1, fill selected cells with the same data, fill down, like in a B2 column, uh, there is some figures like name and anything. So you want to fill down. So Control D, fill selected cells with the same formula in right side. Control R, open short dialog. Alt plus DS, open and close filter dialog. Control Shift plus L, remove duplicate. Alt A plus M plus R. Data validation, to create a drop down. Alt plus A plus V plus V. Create a table. Control T. Formula shortcut key. Start a formula or function. Press equal to sign. Evaluate formula. Alt M plus V. Toggles absolute and relative reference. Freeze cells. F4. Show formulas in your cells where you have applied formula and functions. So press Ctrl plus Delta key. Calculate active worksheet. Shift plus F9. Calculate all worksheet. Shift Ctrl plus Alt plus F9. Calculates all worksheet in all your open workbook. Press F9. So this is a shortcut key. I think it will help you in your daily work, and I hope this will also save your some time in your daily work. So thanks for watching this video.